Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states, one day or one night, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out. All of a sudden, Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhum met him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What brought you out of your houses at this time?" They both submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hunger." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "By him in whose possession my soul stays, whatever has brought you out has brought me out. Get up." They both stand up along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came to Helper's house. He was not at home then. When his wife sighted him, she said, "Welcome, welcome." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to her, "Where is so and so?" She submitted, "He has gone to fetch me fresh water." Meanwhile, that Ansari came, cited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions and submitted, "All praise unto Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Today no one has more prestigious guests than I have." He then went away and fetched a bunch of dates which had unripe, dry and fresh dates. He submitted, "Eat them," and he took the knife. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Avoid a milch goat." He slaughtered a goat and all consumed the meat of the goat and dates and drank water. When they all got satiated, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhum, "By him in whose possession my soul is, you will surely be asked about these bounties on the resurrection day. The hunger brought you out of your houses until you get these bounties." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5281.